In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the PhoneLink app not working on Windows 11 when your phone just won't connect. Let's start on your Windows 11 PC. First, open the Start menu and search for the PhoneLink app. Go ahead and launch it. If it opens to a screen that looks stuck or it keeps saying it can't connect to your phone, don't worry, we'll walk through several things to get it working again. Before changing any settings, quickly check that both your PC and your phone are connected to the internet. Ideally, they should be on the same Wi-Fi network. This isn't always required, but it makes the connection more reliable. If you're on a laptop, make sure you're not in airplane mode and that Bluetooth is turned on, because PhoneLink relies on Bluetooth for some features. Now, in the PhoneLink app on your PC, look for the settings icon, usually in the top corner, and open the settings. Here, confirm that your phone is listed as a connected device. If it shows as disconnected or you see an error, we'll reset the connection. On your Android phone, open the companion app that works with PhoneLink. If you don't have it yet, you can install it from the official App Store by searching for the companion app associated with PhoneLink on Windows. Once the companion app is open on your phone, sign in with the same account you use on your Windows PC. Matching accounts are essential. If they're different, the two devices won't link properly. After confirming that, go back to your PC and, in PhoneLink settings, choose the option to remove or unlink the phone. This clears any broken connection. Now we'll set it up again from scratch. On your PC, in the PhoneLink app, select the option to add a new device. It will guide you through a pairing process, usually showing a QR code or a code you can enter on your phone. On your phone, follow the prompts in the companion app, scan the QR code if needed, and accept all the permission requests, including access to notifications, calls, and contacts. These permissions are what allow PhoneLink to work properly. Give the devices a moment to sync. Once the connection is complete, you should see your phone's status, messages, and other data appear in the PhoneLink app. At this point, try sending a test message or opening your recent photos to confirm everything is working smoothly. If it is, you've successfully fixed PhoneLink not connecting on Windows 11.